Today we'll show you how to sign a digital lease agreement as a tenant through Avail. You can accept the invitation to sign your lease using the invitation email link sent to you by the landlord, or by logging into or creating a tenant account on Avail using the same email address. After logging in, select View and Sign Lease on your dashboard to accept the invitation. Once the lease opens, you can review all terms and conditions of the entire contract. If you need to come back and sign the lease later, you can also access the document by selecting Leases from the left sidebar of your account, then Sign. To confirm and agree to lease terms, enter your full legal name as it is stated on the lease and your Avail password. If you're on a standard web browser, this will appear under Sign Your Lease at the top right of your screen. If you're on a mobile device, select the blue bar reading Sign Lease at the bottom of your screen when you're ready to sign. After that information is entered, check the box next to I agree to all terms and conditions. Then, click on the blue Sign Lease button. Your digital signature and lease signing details will now appear in the section titled Lease Signed. Congratulations, you've just successfully signed your lease. Your landlord will be notified of your signature and they will countersign the lease digitally. Once all tenant and landlord signatures are completed, you'll be emailed a PDF copy of the lease, and it will be available for you to view anytime in your Avail account. If you have any additional questions or experience any challenges along the way, you can reach the Avail customer support team by phone, email, or online chat. Details can be found below.